Let's talk about the potato chip, a snack we all know and love. Whether you're at a party, watching a movie, or just craving a salty treat, chances are you've reached for a bag of these crispy delights more times than you can count. Potato chips are everywhere, and for good reason. They're delicious, addictive, and have a satisfying crunch that's hard to resist. At first glance, it's just a thin slice of potato, fried and salted. But if you look closer, you'll see that its journey from farm to table is anything but simple. Each chip is the result of a carefully orchestrated process, combining tradition, technology, and a bit of culinary magic. Most of us just see the shiny bag and hear that satisfying crunch, never thinking about the process behind it. We rarely pause to consider the story behind each chip, the journey it's taken, the hands and machines that have shaped it, and the science that ensures every bite is just right. Turning a lumpy, dirty potato into a crispy chip is a feat of food engineering. It's a transformation that starts with humble roots, literally, and ends with a snack that's beloved around the world. This snack has conquered the world, evolving from classic salted to wild flavors like seaweed, spicy crayfish, barbecue, and even chocolate-dipped. No matter where you go, you'll find a local twist on the potato chip, making it a truly global phenomenon. But every chip story starts in a muddy field, with a farmer and a tractor. Before the chips hit the shelves, there's hard work, patience, and a deep connection to the land. Farmers carefully nurture their crops, knowing that the quality of their potatoes will shape the taste and texture of every chip. Chip companies demand potatoes with just the right starch and sugar for that perfect golden crunch. Not every potato makes the cut, only those with the ideal balance are chosen, ensuring consistency and quality in every bag. It's science before it even hits the factory. Food scientists test and analyze each batch, measuring sugar content, moisture, and even the color of the flesh. This attention to detail is what separates a great chip from an average one. Next time you open a bag, pause and appreciate the transformation. That chip in your hand is the result of months of planning, growing, testing, and perfecting. That chip survived washing, peeling, slicing, and a plunge into hot oil. Each step is carefully controlled to create the perfect texture, crispy on the outside, light and airy inside. It's been tumbled, salted, and inspected, more action than most of us see in a week. Every chip is checked for quality, ensuring only the best make it into the bag. This is a story of transformation, grit, and impressive machines. The factory floor is a symphony of automation, with machines slicing, frying, and seasoning at lightning speed. So, let's pull back the curtain and see what really goes into making a potato chip. Behind every bag is a world of innovation, teamwork, and precision. We'll go beyond the bag and the commercials. We'll explore the hidden world where raw potatoes are transformed into the snack you know and love. This isn't magic. It's a high-speed, carefully planned operation. Every second counts and every detail matters, from the temperature of the oil to the thickness of each slice. Conveyor belts, spinning blades, and dedicated workers all play a part. It's a dance of man and machine, working together to create the perfect chip. Forget what you think you know. The story of the potato chip is more complex, more fascinating, and more delicious than you ever imagined. We're about to follow the potato from soil to snack aisle. From the moment it's pulled from the earth to the second it lands in your shopping cart, every step is a testament to human ingenuity. And after this, you'll never look at a potato chip the same way again. Ready? Let's dive in. The journey begins now, and it's more epic than you ever expected. From humble beginnings to global snack icon, the potato chip story is one of transformation, innovation, and universal appeal. Let's see how it's done. Get ready to discover the secrets behind the world's favorite snack. The journey of a potato chip begins long before it ever reaches a bag. It starts in the fields, where the first rays of sunlight touch the earth and signal the start of another day for dedicated farmers. Here, farmers grow special chipping potatoes, varieties like Atlantic or Snowden, bred specifically for their low sugar content and perfect texture. These potatoes aren't just any kind, they're chosen for their ability to fry up golden and crisp, without turning dark or bitter. Too much sugar means burnt, bitter chips, so farmers carefully monitor their crops throughout the growing season. They check the soil, measure moisture, and even test the leaves and tubers for sugar levels, making adjustments as needed to ensure the perfect potato. When harvest time comes, it's a race against the clock. Massive machines roll through the fields, pulling thousands of potatoes from the earth every minute. The air is filled with the hum of engines and the earthy scent of freshly turned soil. These freshly dug potatoes are quickly loaded into trucks, each one carrying over 50,000 pounds. The scale of the operation is immense, with truck after truck lining up to transport the harvest. The clock is ticking. Fresh potatoes make the best chips. Every minute counts, so the journey from field to factory happens as fast as possible to preserve quality and flavor. At the factory, the process of quality control begins immediately. A sample from each truckload is tested for sugar and starch content. These tests are crucial, as even a small variation can affect the final taste and appearance of the chips. If the potatoes don't meet strict standards, the whole load is rejected. Only those that pass the tests for quality, sugar, and starch are allowed to continue on their journey. Only the best potatoes move forward, destined to become the crispy chips we all love. The approved load is dumped onto a giant conveyor system, where the transformation from raw potato to snack food truly begins. Here, the sorting and cleaning process begins. Potatoes are separated from rocks, vines, and any remaining debris by a combination of human hands and advanced machines. Potatoes travel along belts and rollers, tumbling and bouncing as they shed dirt, rocks, and vines. This rough ride is essential to ensure only the cleanest potatoes move forward. Powerful water jets then give them their first bath, blasting away any remaining soil and leaving the potatoes sparkling clean. It's a rough ride, but a necessary one. The potatoes must be spotless before they can be turned into chips. Only clean, high-quality potatoes move on, ready for the next stage of their transformation. The transformation from field to factory has begun. Every step matters, and every detail is carefully managed to ensure the best possible chip. Next up, peeling and slicing. The journey from humble potato to delicious chip is just getting started. After washing, potatoes head to the abrasive peeler, a giant spinning drum lined with rough material. As potatoes tumble inside, the skin is scrubbed off in seconds, washed away by water. Some blemishes remain, so human trimmers inspect and quickly cut away any flaws. Only perfect potatoes make it to the slicer. Slicing is the critical moment. Potatoes are shot through a machine with razor-sharp blades, instantly cut into thin, uniform slices. Precision is key. Just a fraction of an inch changes the chip's crunch. Crinkle-cut chips? That's a special blade. These machines slice thousands of potatoes every hour. The result? A mountain of perfect, paper-thin potato slices. The next step will decide their fate. Crisp or flop. It's all about the next bath in the fryer. Let's keep moving. When potatoes are first sliced, their surfaces are coated in a thick layer of natural starch. This starch, if left on, can cause the chips to stick together during frying, resulting in clumps and uneven cooking. It can also make the chips turn out soggy instead of crisp, ruining the perfect texture we all crave in a potato chip. To solve this, the freshly cut slices are plunged into a cold water bath. Here, they're gently tumbled and swirled around, allowing the water to wash away the excess starch clinging to their surfaces. This step is crucial for ensuring each chip fries up light and crispy. The water bath also helps separate the slices, making sure they don't stick together in clumps. This separation is key for even cooking, so every chip gets its own moment in the hot oil. After their refreshing bath, the slices are given a quick shake on a vibrating conveyor. This removes any excess water, which is important because water and hot oil don't mix well. Too much moisture could cause dangerous splattering and affect the frying process. Next, the potato slices head straight for the fryer, a massive trough filled with bubbling hot oil, kept at a carefully controlled temperature to ensure perfect results. As the slices drop into the oil, the remaining water inside them instantly turns to steam, causing the chips to puff slightly and begin to crisp up. This is where the magic happens, transforming raw potato into a crunchy snack. Mechanical paddles gently stir the chips as they fry, keeping them moving so they don't stick together or burn. This constant motion ensures every chip is evenly cooked on all sides. The entire journey through the hot oil takes just 3 minutes, but in that short time, the transformation is remarkable. The chips go from pale, raw slices to beautifully golden, crispy chips, ready for the next stage of their journey. Maintaining the right oil temperature and precise timing is absolutely critical. Too hot, and the chips burn before they're cooked through. Too cool, and they soak up oil, turning greasy and limp. Quality control experts constantly monitor the process, checking for chips that are undercooked or burnt, ensuring only the best make it through. When everything is just right, the result is a batch of perfectly golden, crispy chips with that signature crunch. Up next, how they're de-oiled and flavored to perfection. In the fryer, science takes over. Dehydration creates the chips' crunch. The Maillard reaction gives chips their golden color and flavor. Low-sugar potatoes ensure no burnt spots. After frying, chips are lifted out on a wire mesh belt, letting excess oil drip away. Powerful air jets blow off even more oil, making chips less greasy and ready for seasoning. Quality control workers taste test hot chips for crispiness and color. If anything's off, adjustments are made instantly. Consistency is key, from the first chip to the last. Now it's time for flavor. Hot, de-oiled chips tumble into a giant seasoning drum. Here, a fine powder, salt or secret blends is evenly sprinkled as the drum spins. The goal coat every chip without breaking them. Food scientists craft these flavors from classic salt to tangy barbecue. For salt and vinegar, a special powder mimics the tang. Computers control the amount of seasoning for perfect taste. The chips emerge fully flavored, ready for their final checks. Seasoning is a science and an art. Every batch is inspected for even coating. Next, the chips cool down. Seasoned chips are still warm. They need to cool before packaging. Spread on open mesh belts, they travel under fans, reaching room temperature. This final cooling locks in crunch. High-tech cameras and lasers scan every chip, blowing away any that don't make the cut. Human inspectors add a last layer of quality control. Only the best chips move on. It's a blend of technology and human touch. Now they're ready for the bag. Cooled chips head to the vertical form-fill-seal machine. This machine forms the bag, fills it, and seals it, all in seconds. A precise weigher ensures every bag has the right amount of chips. Just before sealing, a puff of nitrogen is added to keep chips fresh and prevent crushing. Nitrogen replaces oxygen, stopping chips from going stale. The bag is sealed, cut, and sent down the line. These machines can package over 50 bags a minute. It's the final step before shipping. The journey is almost complete. Finished bags are boxed, stacked, and shipped to stores worldwide. From field to bag, the process takes just hours. A marvel of efficiency. Next time you grab a chip, remember its journey. Grown, harvested, tested, washed, sliced, fried, seasoned, and inspected. It's not just a snack, it's the result of science, engineering, and hard work. Every step is precise, every chip a tiny triumph. Millions rely on this process for their jobs, and millions more enjoy the result. Even the simplest things have a story. So open that bag, listen to the crunch, and savor the journey. Knowing the story makes every chip taste better. The humble potato has truly earned its place in your pantry.